Hey everyone, and welcome to Aruppukkottai. We're going on an adventure to a hidden gem in Tamil Nadu, India. This isn't a trip through the jungle, but it's an adventure just the same. We're going to explore Aruppukkottai, a town full of history, culture, and important to the area. So get ready to explore and learn something new. Let's go. Before we start exploring, let's see where we are. We're about to embark on a journey through a fascinating part of India, rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. We're in southern India, where it's sunny and warm almost all year round. The climate here is tropical, with temperatures often soaring high, especially during the summer months. The air is filled with the rich aroma of spices and the sweet scent of flowers. Markets here are vibrant and bustling, offering a sensory overload of colors, smells, and sounds. We're in Tamil Nadu, a state known for its ancient temples that stand as a testament to its rich cultural heritage. The local festivals are lively, filled with music, dance, and traditional rituals that have been passed down through generations. Our specific location is about 6 miles south of Virudhunagar, the main town in the area. Virudhunagar is a hub of activity, known for its trade and commerce. To the west, we have the majestic Western Ghats Mountains covered in lush greenery. These mountains are not only a visual treat, but also a biodiversity hotspot, home to many unique species of flora and fauna. Aruppukkottai is nestled near these hills, providing a picturesque backdrop to the town. The hills offer a serene escape and are perfect for nature walks and hikes. It's usually warm here, with temperatures often rising in the afternoons. People often use umbrellas for shade and take breaks to avoid the heat. During the monsoon season, the region experiences heavy rainfall. The streets come alive with the sound of raindrops and the landscape turns lush and green. In this climate, it's essential to stay hydrated and protect ourselves from the sun. Drinking plenty of water and wearing sun protection are crucial. We need to be prepared for sudden weather changes, whether it's the scorching sun or unexpected rain. Packing essentials like water, sunscreen, and rain gear is always a good idea. Now let's go into town. Aruppukkottai awaits us with its charming streets, bustling markets, and warm, welcoming people. There's so much to explore and experience here. Every town has a story, a unique tale woven through the fabric of time and space. And Aruppukkottai is no different. Nestled in the heart of Tamil Nadu, this town is a living testament to the rich cultural heritage of the region. This town has been here for hundreds of years, standing as a silent witness to the passage of time. Its old buildings and historical architecture tell stories of a bygone era. Think about all the people who lived here before us. Kings and queens, traders and artists. Each one of them contributed to the town's rich tapestry, leaving behind echoes of their lives. They all left their mark on this place. The ancient ruins and old inscriptions on stone are silent storytellers, whispering tales of glory and grandeur. There are tall temples with beautiful carvings that tell stories about gods and goddesses. These temples are not just places of worship, but also repositories of art and culture. You can hear traditional music coming from homes and shops. The melodies of ancient instruments fill the air, creating a symphony that resonates with the soul of the town. Aruppukkottai isn't just a town, it embodies the spirit of the Tamil people. The bustling streets, the vibrant markets, and the everyday life of its residents reflect a culture that is both ancient and alive. It remembers its past and looks forward to the future. The contrast between historical and modern buildings, the blend of traditional and contemporary activities, all speak of a town that honors its heritage while embracing change. People need to work to live, and here in Aruppukkottai, farming is important. The land here is good for growing things like rice, cotton, peanuts, and vegetables. Farmers work hard here, but Aruppukkottai isn't just about farming. It also has factories, where old traditions meet new businesses. You can hear the sounds of machines making cloth. This town knows the value of hard work and using what it has to build a better future. We've seen the farms and factories, but what about the people? Education is really important here. From little kids in their bright school uniforms to older college students, this town believes in learning. There are lots of schools here, teaching in both Tamil and English. Aruppukkottai also has colleges for things like engineering, art and science. This is where kids learn and grow, and where they can become the leaders of tomorrow. It's great to see how much this town cares about education. Here in Aruppukkottai, there are beautiful temples. These aren't just places to pray, they're important for the culture and history too. Imagine tall towers with detailed carvings. The air smells like incense and you can hear people praying. One important temple is the Sri Adilakshmi Amman temple. These temples are also places where the community comes together. They show how important faith is to the people here. It's important to know how to get around. In Aruppukkottai, you have choices. Trains connect Aruppukkottai to other towns and cities. The train station is busy with people and things coming and going. If you want an adventure, you can travel by road. There are good roads that go through the countryside, and the city of Madurai is close with hospitals, markets and colleges, so you can travel by train or by road. It's up to you. Aruppukkottai isn't a typical tourist place with lots of flashy things. And that's what makes it special. This town is real. It's not about fancy hotels and tours. It's about experiencing life like the local people do. Aruppukkottai is a place to relax and enjoy the simple things. Even in nice places, you have to be careful about the weather. Here in Aruppukkottai, it gets hot and humid in the summer. The sun is strong, so drink lots of water, stay in the shade, and don't do too much. The monsoon season brings rain and the winters are mild, so pack light clothes for summer, an umbrella for the rainy season, and a light jacket for the cooler evenings. Festivals are a great way to learn about a culture. They offer a glimpse into the traditions, values, and the very soul of a community. Through the vibrant colors, the rhythmic music, and the joyous celebrations, one can truly understand what makes a place unique. And Aruppukkottai loves to celebrate. This small town in Tamil Nadu is known for its grand and lively festivals that bring the entire community together. The streets come alive with laughter, music, and dance, creating an atmosphere of pure joy and unity. Imagine colorful streets, the smell of incense and flowers, drums and music, and people dancing. The air is filled with the aroma of delicious traditional foods being prepared, and everywhere you look there are smiles and warm greetings. This is Aruppukkottai during festivals. The town transforms into a vibrant hub of activity, with every corner decorated and every resident participating in the festivities. It's a time when the town's rich cultural heritage is on full display. Like most of Tamil Nadu, Aruppukkottai celebrates big Hindu festivals like Pongal, which marks the harvest season. During Pongal, families come together to give thanks for the bountiful harvest and to pray for prosperity in the coming year. Diwali, the festival of lights, and Tamil New Year are also celebrated with great enthusiasm. Homes are decorated with oil lamps and colourful rangoli designs, and the night sky is lit up with fireworks. But the local festivals, the ones special to this town, are really amazing. These unique celebrations reflect the town's distinct identity and traditions, offering a truly immersive cultural experience. These festivals are usually connected to the local temples and gods. The processions, rituals, and ceremonies are deeply rooted in the town's history and spiritual beliefs, making them a fascinating spectacle to witness. If you're here during a festival, you'll have a great time. The warmth and hospitality of the locals, combined with the vibrant celebrations, make for an unforgettable experience. So, come and join the festivities and celebrate life in Aruppukkottai. Well, there you have it. We've explored Aruppukkottai, learned about its history, walked its streets, and seen what makes it special. It might not be a jungle, but it's an adventure. Thanks for joining me. Remember, everyone can have an adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.